Thank you to everyone for attending this institute, Institute Ensemble. I would like to thank everyone here in the institute for giving me the opportunity to learn this course as I'm 17 years old and still in seminary. I thank everyone for the opportunity that I may get to learn here in this institute and partake of this course. This course has helped me further learn the parable of the talents, wherein my mom taught me in my early age that the piano must be learned. I learned of the right right keys, but never of the left. So now I am thankful for this course that I I can also learn the left part of the keyboard. Thank you.
Thank you, Ezra. President J. Reuben Clark Jr. once said in the October conference, "We get nearer to the Lord through music than perhaps through any other thing except prayer." Our next recitalist